Thanks for watching this 5-minute intro to Physna. We are effectively a 3D geometric search company, which may make you ask, what exactly is a 3D geometric search company? Well, our enterprise SaaS platform is based off of one core construct, and that's that 3D is the foundation of most all manufacturing today. Now, not a very shocking statement. We've been using 3D for decades to design and manufacture our products. But at Physna, we're laser focused on the actual 3D format itself. And when you think of digital twin and smart manufacturing or augmented reality and the Metaverse, every bit of this is centered around 3D. But how do you search the world of 3D with 3D? And the answer is, you don't. We've wrapped 2D constructs like part numbers or SKU numbers and other text attributes around our parts and products. And that's what we use as connective tissue in all of our upstream systems to reference our products. And our customers have shared great inefficiencies with this process. So for example, part A, B, C, and XYZ may actually be the exact same part, but our ERP and other systems don't know this because they're named differently. But maybe ABC was bought off of one supplier for one price for one project, but XYZ was purchased for 3 times that price because purchased off of another supplier for another project, maybe through M&A. I'm probably keeping inventory of both ABC and XYZ as well, all because I'm unable to reference and search my parts and products directly with themselves. At Physna, we're looking to unlock this 3D format to allow you to search directly with 3D. And the great Dr. Michael Greaves, the inventor of the term digital twin, had a great blog post at the end of 2021 where he says that the ability for computers to move from 2D comparisons, so those SKU numbers and what have you, to 3D comparisons is a potential quantum leap in capability and value creation. And that's what we feel we provide at Physna. So we thought we'd show a demo. So this is a full turbocharger that you might find on an automobile engine. And on the left-hand side, you can kind of see all the different assemblies and sub-assemblies and parts that make up this turbocharger. And this is in a popular CAD package. So what we thought we would do is take one component of this turbocharger, a small bearing, and search for it in a broader sea of 3D parts. So we're going to use Thangs for this. Now, Thangs.com is kind of our consumer offering. We thought it would be fun to share, and people can search Thangs themselves for 3D. But what we're going to search for here is actually bearing. Now, obviously I could type in the word bearing, but instead I'm going to use this little button next to the search button to actually upload the 3D model itself, this bearing.par file. I'm going to drag it right into the browser, and Thangs is going to search more than 8 million 3D models and find not only the bearing, but it found the turbocharger as well. And if I click on it, turn it on its side, and explode the turbocharger, we will in fact find the bearing. But if you look at the assembly list on the right, you won't find the bearing itself. And that's because it's buried inside of the impeller axle inside of the turbocharger. And this part-in-part functionality is very significant because I did not use any text, I didn't use a database, a bill of materials, or anything. I literally took a 3D object, and Physna was able to find it inside of another 3D object, buried inside of another 3D object. So what exactly happened here? When we ingest your 3D part files, we effectively strip them apart and create a unique algorithmic hash for every single object. We refer to this as the Physna DNA or PNA. And just like every human being has its own unique DNA, every physical object or 3D model has its own PNA. And that's why we were able to search those more than 8 million parts and find the turbocharger and impeller axle. And if there was a fighter jet or an industrial piece of farm equipment that had that same bearing, we would find it there too. Again, we're using the actual geometry. So this is the most foundational aspect of Physna, is our ability to take your 3D catalog, all parts and assemblies, in any 3D format from any CAD package, and create this sea of PNA that we've then built this geometric deep learning platform on top of that allows you to search, compare, and even classify like parts. So some of our customers that have hundreds of thousands of parts, these 10,000 are fasteners, these 5,000 are bolts, these 1,000 are panels, and even 2D to 3D photo search, where you can take a picture of a physical part, say on your manufacturing line, and we can map that to a 3D object and pull other metadata like inventory and stock locations. And the 3D digital transformation that this can drive, right out of the box, helping your designers search and find parts faster. And with our advanced data integrations with things like PLM and even ERP, we can start bringing procurement efficiencies by finding alternative parts for ordering, taking those effectively 20,000 of the same part and maybe only keeping 10,000. So please visit us at Physna.com or the specific Contact Us form listed here, or reach out to your local Physna sales rep, where we can help and bring some of this 3D digital transformation to your organization. Thanks again for watching.